Hey guys, welcome back to the Super Mario Buds, and this time we are going back to Super Mario 3D World. I got a request from the trumpets to do like a kind of like a fail montage of this one called this level, Champions Road.
Let's just play this game.
Deadliest Aminals.
Yep. Yeah,
Aminals. Who's this by?
Let's go in.
It's by National Kids.
It's by National Kids. Okay.
Let's go in.
Today's a very special episode.
About that? Go back.
We're gonna talk about dangerous animals.
Focus to this game, not.
Oh, yeah.
John, we actually have to read the whole book again.
Damn, we have to read the whole book again. So,
it's funny because we did this before and we lost footage.
I died again.
It's funny because we suck.
You get used to it.
Funny because the footage I deleted, we lost over 600 lives, right?
Yeah. We started at 700.
Like that
We'll freaking do it again. Ow.
Hey, no profanity on our YouTubes.
Bro, the word profanity is profanity.
Wee!
Yeah.
Actually, it's literally the word profanity.
Why did you try to kill me?
I'm not.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, I'm talking to Toad.
I'm trying to help you.
He's checking up my
You're my
reputation
brother.
or something.
My brother.
You're my brother, Mario.
You're my brother.
Clips your floor casually.
I'll respawn.
No! Yay, no one gets the crown.
That's your fault, Mario.
Well, for the first death, I get to read you an animal fact.
Yeah, every death.
Dang, I didn't grab you.
I gotta just find them. There's definitely animal facts in this book somewhere.
Tell us an animal joke. Animal jokes.
Who cares
Female
about
lions do
animal
most of the
jokes? Focus on
hunting,
this
but male
game.
lions always eat first. Yep, that was the joke.
Get it?
Funny.
Feminism.
Funny.
Haha, anti-feminism in real wild. We're so
You failed us, Luigi.
I jumped on his
it's
head.
time for fact number 2. On hot sunny days, a crocodile pants like a dog to stay cool.
Yeah, they don't even do that.
I forgot all about this tactic. It's so
Crocodiles
funny.
can't even make dog sounds.
The book says so, so the book knows more than you do, Jacob.
Who cares?
I do. The book does not harbor false information. Okay, I'm dead. False information.
Wee!
Another animal fact. Yay!
Animal fact.
Guys,
Tell
can
each
we not
other
talk about animals? Because that's off topic.
It's
No,
not
man.
topic.
Every time that all 4 of us die, I'm going to
It's
tell you all
funny.
an animal fact until I run out of animal facts.
So
Too
I don't
slow.
think we have enough
slow.
animal facts.
Too slow.
We don't have enough.
Oh my gosh!
Next animal fact.
Come on, John!
Most young fish are called
Focus.
fingerlings, but young sharks are called pups. Yeah, that's the fact. Moving on now.
So young
I don't wanna
sharks
not-
are pups.
Yes.
Good puppy. Good puppy.
No. Hush puppies. Hush puppies.
Hush puppies.
Hush
For shark.
Fish.
Seafood.
Yoink.
Hey, tactical footstool. Let's go.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Can you roll these?
I'm not
No, you can't roll them those. Those will kill you.
Da-da-da-da-da. I can't see myself
Da-da-da.
anymore.
Ah!
On the edge. Oh, I didn't die.
I didn't know
Yay, I'm doing it.
I died again.
This totally isn't like our 50th time.
It's actually our 60th. Thousandth. Come on, Mario.
Yeah.
You're clearly faster.
Let's have the viewer
I
see new
did it.
content.
Yeah, it's all Mario and not anybody else.
Ow. Backflip time, yeah.
Oh.
I haven't showed them my camping skills.
We can't beat the level yet. I haven't gone through all my animal facts yet.
Oh no. No, Tomo, no Tomo.
No.
Frick.
Ow.
Peach is still better
Yay,
than Toad,
footstooling.
100%.
I
Yeah.
footstooled off of
You get what you
someone.
deserve.
What did I do wrong, though?
Oh no!
Not you.
Peach.
Yes.
Yes.
You did
failed
well.
us
I
all.
like how you just touch a spike and you instantly just flop, you know?
Oh yeah, Biden won the election, didn't he?
He didn't.
Oh, it's just.
Oh, that would have been
It's just on the
cool if I
computer.
made
No
that.
one knows yet.
Wow.
It literally says on the
Nice, guys. Nice number of coins. That's a nice number.
No-
Dang it! Why'd you ruin it?
Yeah, whoever did that, you lost.
I hate you.
We lost subscribers now. And no more content.
Bro, you just posted cringe.
You're gonna lose subscriber.
No!
No,
I love
You
it.
failed us!
I
I love
wanted
it
to
when you
roll,
jump and you just
though.
can't make it, you know?
Rolling is fun. Oh, animal fact.
Oh, animal fact. Baby hippopotamuses are born underwater.
Cool.
So they drown.
Yep.
Can hippopotamuses drown?
Hippopotamus
They
can.
stay underwater for too long.
Well, they don't have gills, so yes.
But how do the babies live?
They don't.
Do they? Are they born with gills?
no!
They're born
No.
with oxygen in their lungs, and then they have to go back up because the oxygen's been used up at that point. Actually, I think hippos can hold their breath for a while, can't they?
Yeah.
Well, not
Also, hippopotamus pooping is pretty funny.
But why? Why would you
Because
tell me that?
It's kind of funny
you should
when
see the
you-
video. Like they spin their tail and just it goes everywhere. It's so funny.
It's not pooping, that's farting, Ethan.
And that's pooping.
It's a wet fart.
You're just sure.
It's
I
Taco
feel so
Bell.
immature right now. I think guess it's Taco Bell.
Yeah!
He had too much Taco Bell.
We're going to
Yeah,
Taco
do it.
Bell.
Okay, I can. I'm dead.
Oh no! Peach, you better survive.
Okay.
He didn't cling onto the wall, guys, I'm sorry. Just grab the wall.
I forgive you.
Yay!
Touch screen for 5 minutes straight.
Now that's content.
I can maybe do that. Although it hurt a lot.
Rolling is fun.
It didn't.
Did someone turn on a
to the
blender or
ledge.
something? Ah. Hey guys.
Hello, Mario.
Why would you do this to your brother? That's fratricide!
Ethan!
Ethan!
I'm not
Well,
Peach.
it's time
Oh,
for the
wait.
next animal.
Ha! I'm not Peach! You guys got tricked!
If you shine a black light on a scorpion, it glows in the dark.
That's pretty true. Ultraviolet light word.
Guys, I can't roll.
That's nice.
I'm doing it rolling only.
No.
I'm only rolling for movement.
What's gonna happen when we lose all of our lives?
We're gonna die, and we have to figure out life.
Can someone pick me up? I can't move.
Although we had practice, right?
I'm stuck.
I didn't have invincibility.
I did it!
Congratulations, you're not worthless.
Thank you. I love being not worthless. It's kind of my life dream.
But then,
Hey!
Wait, why did I do that?
Oh! I'll be your swan anchor. Disco ball.
Child abuse.
Disco ball.
I'm gonna beat the star.
I love this thing.
You can't toad mode me, I'll toad mode you! By Q.
No!
Mario!
Mario! Hold it. Yeah, no, you can just hold it.
You can pop!
I can't pop!
pop.
That's your fault, not mine! I guess you can't pop when Peach is hovering.
Okay, excellent point. I'll go back to the ground again.
Ow!
So if this is a range montage, can we scream?
No.
There's a montage.
I cannot scream, I feel nothing. Well, I guess I have to read 2 more animal facts. So, a jellyfish doesn't have a brain, and all snakes have teeth, but only snakes that have venom have fangs.
Yeah.
I wish there's you can taunt in this game.
Yeah, you
It
can.
would be Smash Brothers all over again.
Yeah, and Mario
Get it,
Party.
'cause we
You can
kill her.
taunt in Mario Party now.
Okay, well, that's an awful game, and I'm never gonna play it.
This is my taunt.
Ah.
This is Toad Taunt.
Gosh darn it, Mario.
Imagine that I miss.
Hey, spaghetti!
Why is a fat Italian much more athletic than me? Ah.
Because Mario's an athlete.
Oh, he's
Toad,
a-
do you wanna die?
He's literally an Italian. It's his thing.
The camera's
Have you
great.
seen his stomach?
It's one spicy meatball.
That's our spicy meatball.
Fruit mode. No.
Pear mode.
Peach is just a fruit, remember that.
Peach is just a. First of all, you said Peach is just a flute.
Whenever Toad laughs while jumping off the cliff.
Okay, that doesn't make any sense.
Peach is a fruit.
Peach is a peach.
Oh no!
You didn't know peaches are peaches.
No.
I'm alive! I don't even know where I am.
Do you think Peach is tasty?
You're alive.
I am alive?
That's all that matters. It's your
I just been spamming. Hey!
You saved Toad.
And yeah, you don't even mention me, it's just Toad.
No!
Well, I don't save you.
In Soviet Russia, you save yourself.
Can you imagine that?
In Soviet Russia,
there is no
Russia.
This is what it feels like to have a twin brother and Luigi just stands there.
I don't think.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
highly relatable. I do all the chores and then it is not.
What do you mean? I do all your work. Die. Hello, Mark.
It was me, the female. How did I die?
What's Toad doing?
Toad knows what he's doing.
Break Canton. I'm moving.
Ah.
No!
Oh, Luigi, don't die.
Ah!
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
You know what? You were incorrect. Luigi do die.
Rabadi, rabadu, bada.
This is how Toads mate.
They don't mate. They reproduce asexually. They just, bloop. And there's a new Toad.
Ow!
Come
Kill us all.
on.
Time for another animal fact. If an octopus loses an arm, another one will grow in its place.
I did not know that.
Dang it, you can't make that jump.
A sea star can do that as well.
Hey, 81
Or
lives.
will they?
80 lives.
And we all die.
Animal fact. Some poison dart frogs contain enough toxin to kill 10 people.
Oh no, we're on 9. Shoot. Guys, you can't die again. Oh no, another one, last one.
A honeybee has 5 eyes, 3 small ones on top of its head, and 2 large ones in front.
You
We're out
put stood on me.
We're out of animal facts. We cannot die anymore.
Oh, okay. That's
The
trying to
motivation we've all
Oh
been
no, I have
saving
more
for.
animal facts. I have more animal facts.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Oh.
You better have more animal facts, because there's no more left in the children's book. Actually, I do know one more animal fact, but it's too lewd.
Oh, whoa.
How lewd.
Do you know if an animal
Very.
dies? They
We won't
Nice.
lose our monetization, and we don't have any.
die? Guys, do you know if an animal dies, it dies?
Yo, did you know that an animal gets born at one point?
Yo,
I'll tell my animal facts.
do you know
first.
something gets born every day?
No!
Okay, animal fact. How you reproduce toads? So toads are like worms. You can cut them in half, and then they'll grow back. So a new head will grow on top of the body, and the body will grow on top of the head or below the bed.
What are toads anyway?
Yeah.
What's the difference between a toad and a frog?
A toad's a frog that has wrinkles.
Alright, next fact. Everything dies. Yes, going on. So-
Okay, it's time for the next animal fact. Just to see if I can find
Oh,
one.
I want another animal fact.
A box jellyfish's body is the size of a basketball, but its tentacles can be up to 9 feet long.
So basically, it's like 3 meters.
It's kind of thick, though.
Kind of thick, not gonna lie. Come on!
No, I can't make the jumps.
Dude, imagine not being skilled at this game. Couldn't be Jake.
Guys, okay.
Imagine
Complete-
being good at the game.
Stop grabbing me. Okay.
Forgive me!
No! Yay, he did it!
Yeah, that part's actually easy, so.
Yeah, talk about this, though.
Wee! Ah!
I'm gonna make it! I made it!
Mario's be like.
Goodbye, Mario. Mario!
You're my brother. You're my brother.
I'm a stone, Luigi. I'm a stone.
The stone Luigi.
Frank. Step on the head.
Or
Whose
either
head?
two,
Footstool off of him.
This one.
Okay.
Alright. Success!
I don't want to die.
No, actually, I learned how to play Super Smash Bros.
Super Smash.
I just died.
It's
That's
just a
a-
shame that the Flash will be gone by December 2020
Why?
because they're just no longer gonna have it
Why?
because
They just feel like it.
it's like not support or something, not supported anymore.
Yay, footstool.
Yeah, we're gonna lose all the Flash games. Support cool math games.
I just rolled into a
We
guy.
live in the golden era, unless they have something better than Flash.
They do.
Hey guys, can
It's
we
called Smash.
Can the small ones fall off?
Nope.
Nope.
Survival of the fittest.
Or the thickest.
Oh, Jesus is actually gonna. Okay.
Oh. Mario!
Yes! Animal fact.
Animal fact, a blue ringed octopus's skin is usually yellowish brown, but bright blue spots or rings suddenly appear when the octopus feels scared.
Or threatened?
Nah.
That's kind of the same thing.
Ah,
Mario. Oh. Peach is just the better Mario. Changed my mind.
Should move and be like, barrel, barrel, barrel.
no! Man,
Hey,
can you imagine that we get a
moving.
game over?
Game over.
Oh yeah, Paramount told us that we get a game over. That would be funny.
If we get a game over, we should just put we quit
If
on
we-
the screen.
If we lose all 1,200 and whatever the max lives are, the video ends. The final level.
Okay.
I put suit off with mini chucks.
If we die, the video ends. Well.
End it. End the
End.
suffering.
The video ends when run out of animal facts.
I have an animal fact I'm gonna do next, I guess.
You have to think of animal facts to keep this video running.
I was killed. Mario. Just go down. We can retry.
Okay.
I'm sure I have to actually think.
Yoink. Yoink.
Just keep floating.
Oh. I mean, I didn't die, so I'm proud.
Good job.
I haven't.
We're getting slowly better.
Peach is just the character I needed.
24 lives, guys.
How do we get so low?
Sorry.
I think we're actually gaining skill.
Skill.
Yes. How?
From what?
From playing the video game.
From getting good, you know?
Ah, dang it.
Footstool.
I'm just glad that you.
Die, Mario. Die, Mario.
Please, we can't lose any more lives.
We're at 20 lives.
We're eventually gonna get to a point where we can't even do anything.
19.
Wait, isn't this the running one? Oh no. How do we keep on dying here? This one's the easiest part of the level.
I died.
I don't even know how to do this part.
Oh,
I
a
know.
wall jump and then jump on their head.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Oh,
footstooled off of someone.
You better not mess this up, Mario.
Mom.
You
Yeah.
messed it up, Mario. But I'm back, so. Oh,
Oh, no,
No.
no.
Okay.
I can mash.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
we're all friends here.
Just don't kill each other.
Dies.
Well, Jacob, you failed at your own thing, so.
You
I have a feeling that, like, some of us should just chill in a bubble. Luigi.
Luigi, so
I only had one life.
Why do we not have our own individual life counters? Wouldn't that make things easier?
yeah, that would make things easier.
Look where I'm at! Look where I'm at!
How do you get down there? Oh, and go swim.
Okay, so
died.
we cannot fail here. We're at 12 lives somehow. Wait.
Let me respawn. Let me
No, okay, yeah, no.
Everyone get big! That means
don't,
you, Peach.
don't. Peach. We're just wasting lives.
We are wasting lives, but it's for a good
Now let's
cause.
go.
So I can assure you that I'm not gonna make it past these jumps.
I made it.
I can't even
I
make
made it.
those jumps.
Oh my god, I perfected.
Okay, got one.
Oh.
Got two.
No, Luigi.
I got it.
Survive, Logan.
Got it. Yes.
Let's go! Yeah!
No,
We don't suck!
I wasted the last. Wait for me.
Nope.
Let go. Oh yeah.
Bubble.
Yay, I'm in first place.
I'm here for aesthetic.
Let's just all have a mad. How did I die?
Oh my god.
We should all just have a mad dash at the end.
Yay,
dude.
we
Rito
wasted
or
up to
Yes.
700 lives.
Oh, I have 5 lives left. Dang, that's
Yeah.
close.
That's very.
Hey, what the heck?
4 lives left.
That's epic.
Someone tried to kill me.
Mad race to the finish. Who's gonna get it?
I got out first. No, I got out first.
I got on first.
Go!
No, yes, I got it. I got the flag. You idiot.
You got top, and I was on first. Let's go.
And
Nah.
we end with the best
Finally,
note possible.
We made it. We made it.
And now an animal fact for celebration.
Look at that guy.
You know, animals live.
Let's see.
You
I'm
know,
gonna find
bees
the best
And
one.
the winner is...
The reason why bees sting you.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's
Whenever
rigged.
bees sting,
Life
they don't
is
think they're gonna
rigged.
die. Did you know that? When bees sting, they don't think
Anyway,
they're gonna die.
guys, thank
because
you
they
so
don't
much
think
for
their sting is gonna get
watching.
off.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys think it was pretty funny.
Well, what about the last
21
animal fact?
minutes. 21 minutes.
But what about the
Let's
last
go.
animal fact?
Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Not yet.
Goodbye.
I need to do the animal
Guys,
fact.
guys,
No,
one last final fact.
See ya.
What's next by you?
See ya. Goodbye.